Wabco's ECAS Height Sensor plays a pivotal role in optimizing fleet operations by enhancing both operational efficiency and environmental sustainability. By maintaining precise vehicle height, the sensor minimizes energy loss from uneven suspension and reduces CO2 emissions through improved aerodynamics. Its predictive capabilities also enable proactive maintenance alerts, reducing downtime and extending the lifespan of suspension components. In an era of evolving emission standards and safety regulations, this sensor underscores Wabco's leadership in delivering smart, sustainable solutions for the commercial vehicle industry. The sensor's adaptive design accommodates diverse vehicle types and load scenarios, while its resistance to vibration, moisture, and extreme temperatures ensures reliable performance across global fleets. The sensor is ideal for trucks, buses, and trailers,